I saw somebody comment. I saw somebody comment on a video about like, stop talking about the 2017 people. They were just lucky. Okay, I really need to address this because do you really think the people that invested in crypto in 2017 were lucky? No. The people that invested in 2017 were prepared. Preparation will get you places. Doing nothing will get you nowhere. So I'm so passionate about this because literally thinking someone got lucky, like, oh, you're in business and your business is successful. Oh, you're so lucky. Oh, you just got lucky. Oh, and it's crazy because the amount of research, like even for e-commerce, the amount of research that goes into picking the right product that's going to make you money. It's like, it takes so much preparation at first to pick that product, just like cryptocurrencies. It takes so much preparation. So I invested in about 40 different cryptocurrencies that I read about. I stayed up late reading the white papers. I researched everything about it. I went to talk to the owners of the Bitcoin over-the-counter places. I talked to them, talked to my old programmer friends, talked to programmers that work for crypto companies. I wanted to hear everything. Keep your ears open. Listen to what's going on around you about that topic. So when you're zeroed in on a certain topic and you want to know everything there is about that topic, and then you wait, and boom, you make your mark, you make your move right there. That is not luck. Stop saying the people from 2017 were lucky, because we were prepared for the bull run. We saw it coming, we were prepared, it was going up. It's not the first time a bull run happened. Like, I've been in crypto since 2013 and I saw it go up, like crazy, to the moon, and then crash, up and crash. And sometimes we wait 2-3 months in between crashes, and sometimes we wait 2-3 years in between crashes. So no, pretty much everybody in my $100 a day cryptocurrency class made money because they came in early May. So the earliest people came in April. So April, they're coming in and we're like, okay, we're buying this and all these cryptos, and they're gonna go up faster than Bitcoin, which a lot of them did. We're even saying, like, when Ripple was 24 cents, we were like, hey guys, Ripple's going to $1, Ripple's going to $1. So pretty much you buy as much as you can until it goes to $1. And like, you either need to like know people or go to conferences and meet people or connect with someone that does the research for you, because the research is not going to do itself. Either like connect yourself with like a team of analysts that do it, which now I have, and yeah, just be prepared. If you want to prepare for the next bull run, that's not being lucky, that's being prepared. That's like buying in on the coins that will make you money. And you could even calculate, you could pre-calculate how many coins you need of which type if you want to be a millionaire, or if you want to make 200K this year, or if you want to make 50K this year, whatever your goal is for the year, you could prepare this in advance with the calculations. Yeah, and like that's just one method. One method is like buying it and waiting, but there's also the 2% theory, which we make money almost every day and we just earn more and more Bitcoin, and that's a little bit more advanced method, although I do train it to beginners. A beginner can learn. It's just like riding a bike. At the start you didn't know how to ride the bike and you kept falling, and then eventually you were able to ride the bike and you kind of know what you're doing right, what you're doing wrong, and it becomes like second nature. I don't know why I'm all like this, like, oh hi camera, can you hear me, when really I can just chill back here. Yeah, so please don't ever think that a business owner is lucky because their business took off, because it takes work. It takes preparation up front, firstly, and then it takes execution. If you could prepare and then you could execute, that is what's going to make you successful. Preparation and execution makes you successful. So to say like, oh, I just blindly threw some money at some like random stuff and Nobody does that. Like, do people do that? Do people like randomly invest in things they don't understand? Or people. Sometimes when you invest in a business with someone, you're actually investing in the person. But yeah, no, we don't blindly invest in anything. Like, everything is calculated. Everything has a strategy and a plan. There's a reason we're investing in this coin today, or we're trading this coin today and not another one. There's a reason. There's always a reason. So yeah, don't just think you're lucky. Like, that's like the biggest insult. It's like, oh, that's cute. It's just like, it's an insult. It's an insult to say you were lucky when you put that much time, that much effort into something, and then it's like, yeah, well, all those people were lucky. No, they've come prepared. They were reading, researching, like all the things, buying courses, buying trainings, investing in themselves, getting ready for it, doing all the steps, like getting help. Like, if you do nothing and just like watch everybody else get rich, it's not because they're lucky and you're not. It's because you're not doing the steps. You got to do the steps. And the beauty of it is that anybody could do it. It's like baby steps. It's like, you could be a carpenter. I'm showing a carpenter how to do it right now. You could be a waitress. You could be literally anybody. You could have any job. An engineer. I have firefighters in the class. We have people in the army. Like, we have people from all over the world, all walks of life, and that do all sorts of jobs. So don't think that you can't do it too, because you can. So if you're saying, oh, somebody was lucky, that could actually mean that you're actually jealous that they made money and you didn't. But here's the thing. If you're jealous, it's because you think you can't have that too. But you can have that too if you just prepare and do the steps that you need and stay safe as you do it. If you do all those things, you could also become lucky. You could also become a lucky crypto millionaire. You could become very lucky. Just do the work. It's like that saying, it took me 10 years to become an overnight success. Right? It took me 10 years to become an overnight success. It's like, this stuff, it doesn't come from nowhere. It's not like, oh, it just like showed up from anywhere, blah, blah, blah. No, you can do it. That's the good news. You can do it too, so you don't ever have to feel like you can't do it too. Because you can. I believe in you. I'm invested in your success. I literally try almost every day on Instagram to like motivate you and mentor you, and I answer questions, and I want you to succeed, because crypto, like, it's still such a new thing, and there's still, you kind of have to like wiggle and swiggle yourself around, like, scammer over here, hacker over there, and you're trying to like swim through like all these crocodiles and snakes, but it's like the treasure's there, and you just have to like navigate your way around that. And as long as you could like spot those things and stay safe and keep your money safe and grow your money and double your money. It's like, what's doubling your money? Oh, well, if you have 20 grand, you can make 40 grand in a day. In a day. That's like the beauty of crypto. Like, crypto, there's so much money to be made in crypto, it's not even funny. So even when the market moves just 5%, we could literally 10x that and make 50%. You know, we could even make 500%. There are ways to do this. If you have $1,000 to trade, it's like you're trading on 10x with $10,000. So you can make more money faster. But yes, the trade-off is that there is a chance that you lose it all. Whereas if you're like investing, buying low, selling high, it's like less risky, but you can make more money faster. And if you stay safe and you know the rules and you know what to do and you know how to cut your loss and you know like all the tricks and all the methods that we teach in the 2% theory, your chances are like 99% higher than anybody else. So if you're like new to crypto and you're just gonna go in blindly and then think you're just gonna get lucky, no, that's not how it works. It's not how it works, baby. All right, cool. Well, Hope you enjoyed this little rant, this little chit chat. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.